it will make you more money. Here's the one thing that as a small Shopify store owner, you can do to get more sales. This one thing has gotten me more sales and more repeat customers than any other one thing. Sorry for the hurricane look here. I just woke up and was checking my Shopify sales, as I typically do, and I haven't taken a shower or anything, but I wanted to get this out while it was fresh in my mind. You're not going to be able to beat Amazon or Walmart.com with the products, the prices, the selection. You're one person, print on demand, drop shipping or something. So you're not going to win that battle. So your customers aren't going to purchase from you because of those reasons. Well, what can you beat them at? Being a person, connecting with them. Relationship wins everything. Every battle is won via relationship. And you won't be able to do this when you're getting 10,000 orders a month. But this one thing will be the best thing to help you get to the point where you can no longer do this. Because you'll be getting so many more orders and so many more repeat orders. Customer lifetime value is so much more important than that one single purchase. Till my store has about 500 or so monthly sales, I write every one of them a thank you note. It's not long. I make sure that I mention the day of the week and the weather, though, so they know that it's not some automated email system sending them an email. I have those set up too, but this one comes from me, and I write it out every time. People love it. You'll meet cool people. You'll have great conversations. You'll build relationships. They will come back and buy again. They'll start posting your stuff on their socials. They'll tell their friends about a good experience they had at this random store that they purchased. You cannot quantify it, but it will do more good for your business than anything else, I guarantee it. They're like, I don't know what to write. I'm not a personable relationship sort of person. Here's my message. You can go ahead and take it. Just pause the screen and write it out. I have removed the customer's information and myself, obviously, and replaced it with the X's. Remember, the whole point of this is to be personable, so make sure you at least change the day of the week and the weather, because you're trying to connect with people here, not send them another template-sized email. Because the whole point here is to be like, hey, listen, I understand there's a million online voices calling for your money. And then it's going to be difficult to spend it with a stranger that you've never met before. And I really appreciate you spending it with me and trusting me with your money. Thank you for your business. Short, sweet, keep it easy, keep it simple. You don't want to spend forever doing this. But if you want to get to the point that you have 10,000 sales a month, do this. And if you don't do this, I don't know if you will ever get to the point where you can't do this. So in order to not be able to do this, you're going to have to do this. Be a person. Remember, your customers are people. Thank them for their business personally. Then automate. Even on my stores that I can't justify doing this because I just don't have the time, there's just too many, I still take an hour out of every day to pick just a handful of them and do this. Because they're trusting you with their money. Something they've spent their effort and energy in their life acquiring, and that's pretty cool. So the fact that a random stranger online is trusting you with their money and their business is pretty rad. And I think that if we spend the time to thank them and acknowledge that, it's going to be awesome. Don't do it because it'll make you more money. Do it because you're a person and they're a person and you just want to say thank you, but it will make you more money. Happy selling, everybody.